All right, in this video, we're going to do an update on Ruby weekly. We're going to look at Riot blockchain weekly that just got in. Also, Kss and Uwt weeklies. They're almost ready. And then also how to buy, set up a stop of a buy to put a buy above the weekly candles. Okay, so here's weekly Ruby. The strategy is a buy was just above this candle here. We're touching. As you can see here, we're kind of touching, but not really. Look at the cursor line; it's not touching. But this candle didn't go above this one go above this one, etc. So finally, this one did broke it here at 572. We're sitting at 630, 60 cents per share stop in gain, and just starting to go up, right? Just starting to curl. So this one should be pretty nice. It's going to take some time. Now we're going to go to UWT weekly. And looking at UWT weekly, and you can see it's already set up. Same scenario, we have a touch here. This candle didn't go above this one didn't go above that one. This one we're waiting on. This is the current one we're in. This is, 1 week with the price action. So it's Wednesday, and we have until Friday. If this thing can break above, then at 1272, see the yellow over here, that'll be the buyer sitting at 1231. Then our stop loss would be at 1026. And then we're going to Kss. Kss, we're still waiting on the Kss weekly here. It's touching, it started touching around this candle here. Last week, we had a buy up just above here at 51.40. Did not happen. Then we had one this week at 50.12. We're sitting down here at 47 bucks. So as you can see, each candle doesn't go above the previous one until it's ready to reverse the price action, right? So it's Wednesday, so this candle can go from up to here, it can go down here. We have 2 more days of trading in this week, and then next week we'll get another candle. If this candle breaks above this, then we get in. Pretty simple, easy strategy. It's got, my opinion, about a 95% accuracy rate, which is really, really good in trading. If you can get a 55% edge, you have that 5% edge. Riot blockchain. A viewer brought this to our attention. This was, I believe, on Monday or Friday. But you can see here, we're touching. Here's the weekly candle. We're in a weekly time frame. We're going to break above at 280. Stop loss 240. We're sitting currently at 262. It's 18 cents below what we bought it for. But we're not worried because this candle's got to break below this line for this to be invalid. And we'll see how it works out. We'll do an update on it. Now, also, people are asking, well, how do you put a buy in above a candle? Well, if you have a mirror trade, I use a mirror trade. I don't use E-Trade or Scott Trade, but it's the same tool. It's to buy, you hit buy, and you hit stop markets. And then it would ask you for an activation price, and that would be, for example, if it's 262, you put stop buy market at 280. And when it goes up to that price, it would fill it. Now, after your order gets filled, you'd want to put a sell. You hit sell, then stop market at 240 to protect your account. And that's kind of how it works. All right. So that's buy, stop market to buy it above the candle. And then after your order gets filled, you buy 100 shares or whatever it is. You put 100 shares, hit sell button, and it'll ask you for a limit, stop market, or it'll ask you 3 or 4 things. To sell it, to protect your money, you want to put sell, stop, market at 240. So if this one falls below 240, then it's going to automatically sell it for you. It was wrong. This is probably, would be the 5% situation. But so far, we're holding out. Now, some other people are asking about shorting, right? So shorting is the same thing. You would short the same way you buy it up. Shorting means that you're betting it down. So as the share price falls, you would make money, right? Okay. So here's a situation where you can shorter the S&P 500. Okay. This is on a weekly. Here you're touching. Here you're touching right here, right? So it's just the reverse of the upside. So you can say, well, here we're touching. I want to short it. Okay. Let's zoom in on it. Well, this candle never goes below this candle. This one never goes below this one. This one does. Well, I guess what I'll do is short it here. We just shorted at 282, went to 280. Actually went higher, right? So there's a 5% chance. There's a 5% area where you wouldn't, but you just keep going until it starts to reverse. If that makes any sense. SPY and what is it? What are we on? SPY weekly? That's not a good one. SPY weekly. We go to 1 month for this guy. Let's see. Here we go. The 1 month. Wow, that thing hung up there forever. So maybe we'll go to a bigger time frame so we get cleaner touches. Right? Let's go to a 3 month on SPY and see how that looks. Touch. Yeah. SPY is not a good one to play. There's just not a lot there. I mean, you wait 3 month time frame. That's forever. Nobody has that much time like that. So we'll go to let's go to Walmart. Everybody hates Walmart, right? Let's do Disney. All right. We'll go to Disney weekly. See what that looks like. All right. Yeah. Okay. Here's the situation. Weekly, monthly. Let's see. Monthly looks good. There's not a lot of play in it, but shorting is the same thing. You get this candle touching here. You're just betting it down. You got touch. See, this candle didn't go below this one. This one didn't go below that one. This one didn't go below that one. This one didn't go below that one. Finally, this one went below. So the shorter, it's the same thing. You would go sell short, and your order would be at 111.93. Sell short limit. Okay. And it would be 116. All right. So here you are selling short Disney at 111, and it goes down to 96 bucks. You would have made $16 a share as it comes down, right? And then you could have reversed it and then bought it for the upside, and you keep going back. Here you had a fake out, right? You didn't go all the way to 100, but you're buying. You short it down for $16 gain, and then you say, okay, well I want to buy it to go up now. Again, same thing. Here's a small candle. Remember I said the strategy is always small candles. You're in at 101, and it goes to 112. Once you're in at 101, you're at 108. You want to move this stop loss to at least even what you paid it for, right? At least even, maybe even a little bit of a profit, maybe even around there, right? Because you have fake out sometimes, right? And that's the strategy. If you guys have any questions, comments, any stocks that look like potential on a daily or weekly or monthly, let me know down below. I appreciate it. Thanks.